and welcome to a new video tutorial. In this video, we'll be discussing about Opencart hotel booking system. So, it will allow the admin to create an efficient hotel booking website using our hotel booking system extension. So, this hotel booking module is designed with various features for setting up a proficient hotel reservation system featuring multiple facilities and review system. So this module helps in managing the rooms of the hotel or other lodging facilities, and the admin can also display a number of available facilities which are provided in the room. Admin can also add bookings on behalf of the customers, and customers after reaching on the site can instantly start searching for the hotels based on their location, so they can enter in their check-in and check-out date also. So now let's get started with the video and see what are the features of this. Firstly, we have to go to the demo, and from here we have to go to the admin demo and then the front end demo. So this is the front end and this is the back end. We have logged in into the back end account. So firstly, you can see that on the front end here is the option for search hotel and rooms, and the customer have to provide their check-in and check-out date, and they can either select any particular hotel on which they want a room, or they can select all for seeing the rooms available in all the hotels. And after that they just have to click on search rooms, and then they'll be able to see all the rooms that are available between that check-in and check-out date, like this. And they can also filter their results by just selecting the room amenities, such as if they want any particular facility in their room, they can select it from here, and they can select extra amenities from here, and they can set the price range. So by doing all this, they will be able to filter the search results, and they can also search any particular hotel by just entering their city. Right now it is Delhi, India. Let's search nearest hotels. So these are the hotels which are available in this location, and it is also shown in the Google Maps. And the customer can zoom in or zoom out of the map and see all the available hotels which are available there. So now coming to the back end, the admin panel, let's see what are the features and what are the settings that we have to do for enabling these features. So firstly we have to go to here, and from here we can see that there are various options that are provided here, such as manage hotels, add room type, manage fixed facilities, manage optional facilities, manage hotel reviews, book rooms, and all bookings. So we'll discuss each one of them one by one. So let's get start by discussing manage hotels. So in manage hotels, the admin can see that they can see all the hotels which are already been added into the hotel booking website. So here's a list of all the hotels, and from here they can also search any particular hotel. They just have to provide any of these, and then they can filter their search, and from here they can edit any previously added hotel, and from here they can add any new hotel. So if we click on this edit option, we'll be able to see all the hotel information, such as name and description, and then the hotel image, and then the status. After that, admin has to choose the address for the hotel, the email address, their contact information, and the check-in and check-out timings. So after when all is done, they just have to click on save, and their changes will then be saved in that hotel. And they can also add any new hotel by just clicking on this add button, and then they'll be able to add a new hotel. So now let's just try adding in a hotel and see how this will work. Let's say we name this hotel as Moonlight, and we have given the description like this, and then we have given the meta tag title. After that we have to provide the hotel image, and then we have to set the status as enable or disable. Now let's just provide the hotel image from here. So when you click on this image, the admin can see that there are two options. First one is for editing and the other one is for deleting. So this is the default image that has already been added. So we can edit this image by just clicking on this edit option, and then we will be able to see all the various images that are already been present in our store. Or we can add any new image by just going to upload option, and then we'll be able to add any image from our system onto our website. So now let's just add a new image. So we have selected our image from our system, and then we'll be able to see a success message that your file has been uploaded. We have to click on OK, and then we'll be able to see that the file that we have just uploaded is then visible there, and from there we can select it, and then that file will be added as our hotel image. So now we are on the hotel details page. So in this, firstly we have to provide the address for our hotel. So, and we can select our address from here. After that we have to provide the email address for the hotel. Let's just say, after that we have to provide the website which is for the hotel. So we can say it as, after that we have to provide a contact number, and then the fax number, and then we have to provide the check-ins and check-out times. So let's say 12 a.m. is the check-in and 11 a.m. is our checkout time. And when we have filled all the details, we just have to click on save, and our new hotel will be saved. So firstly, let's just go to the front end and see if we have made any changes here. So in this you can see that all these hotels are present, but the hotel that we have added is not present here because we have not refreshed this page. Let's go to the home page again and see here the hotel that we have just created is now visible here. So if we select this hotel and click on search rooms, we'll be able to see the hotel image, and then there is a message that there are no rooms to list in this hotel because we have just created the hotel. We have not added any rooms in this. So our next option is add room types. So let's just go there, and from here we'll be able to add rooms to our hotels. So these are the rooms which are already been added, and we can assign any room to any hotel. Let's say that this room is currently being assigned to sea view, and we can go to add it, and here also all the informations such as price and how many rooms, status, and then we can assign any hotel to this room. As we have assigned Moonlight, and then there are fixed facilities, we can select any of the fixed facilities that we have provided, and those we can do in manage fixed facilities, and then there are optional facilities which we can do from manage optional facilities. After it, there is option for images. So here we can provide different images for the hotel room, and after that we have to click on save, you can see, now this room is now assigned to this hotel. So let's just refresh this page. And then we'll be able to see that the room that we have just assigned is now added here. And we can also add any new rooms by just clicking on this add button. And then we have to provide all these details, then all these information here. Then we have to select to which hotel we want to assign this room. After that, we have to add the facilities, and we can add room amenities from the list here. So these are all the amenities which have been added into the fixed facilities, and we can select from these only. After that, there is an option for optional facilities. These are all the facilities that are available in the optional facilities. You can enable or disable each one of them. After that, there is option for image, and you can provide the image for the hotel rooms, and you can add various images. And after that, you just have to click on save, and all the information will then be saved. So the next option that we are talking here is fixed facilities and optional facilities. So let's see how we can manage them. So manage fixed facilities. In here, the admin can search various facilities by just entering the name or their status, and then they can filter the results like this. So here these facilities which are provided. So as you can see, breakfast, Wi-Fi, room service, music, TV and fridge. These are the facilities which are provided here, and admin can edit any one of them by just clicking on edit button. They can rename any facility, they can provide any image, and they can give the sort order also. Then they have to click on save, and all the information or all the changes that they have made will then be saved. They can delete any of them by just selecting them and clicking on this delete option. And they can also add any new facilities by just clicking on add, and then they have to provide the facility name, the icon and the status, and if they want, they can also provide the sort order. Let's try adding in a new facility. Let's say iron, and then we have to provide the image for this. This is the default image, and then we can go to add new image, and from here we can add or upload an image from a system, or we can select any previously added image. Let's say we'll use this for iron. After that, we have to enable the status, and let's just give the sort order as 1, and then click on save. So we have added this facility right here. After that, we can go to manage optional facilities. So in here, as you can see, these are all the optional facilities which are provided here, and we can remove any of them by just clicking on remove. Let's say we have just added iron in a fixed facility, so let's just remove this from our optional one, and let's just try adding in a new facility. So for this, we have to enter in the name here, and let's say washing machine, and then we have to provide the image, and again we have to provide the sort order, and after that we have to click on save, and the room facility has been modified successfully, as you can see. Now let's just go back to our hotel room, and let's just try adding these new facilities in here. So currently these are all the facilities which are already present. So let's just try. As you can see, fixed facilities autocomplete. So this is the list, and from here we can select a newly created facility, that is iron, and we can provide any information if we want, and then we can click on save. Or firstly we have to go to optional facilities, and from here, as you can see, a newly created optional facility washing machine is present here, and we can provide the prices, and we can set the status enable or disable. Let's say we do not have gym, So let's just disable it, and let's just say we do not provide medical, so let's just say we disable it, and after that we can click on save. So as you can see, these are all the facilities which were provided. Now let's just try refreshing this page, and as you can see, our newly created facility iron is now present here. So the facility, this is the fixed facility, and it will be shown like this in the form of these icons. So we can open this. So this is the room page, or we can say the product page, and the charges are shown in the title only, and you can see that there are various room images that are provided in this, and the customer can see extra amenities which are provided here, such as air conditioning. After that, there are all the room amenities. These are the fixed amenities such as breakfast, TV, fridge, iron, and there are these description. After that, there is a description for the room. Then there are reviews for this room, and the customer can even add their review. And then there are details for the hotel. So the customer can choose their check-in date and their check-out date, and they can provide their check-in and their check-out dates, and they can select how many room they want, and then they can select how many adults are there and how many child or children are there, and then they have to click on book room, and then they will be able to see that you have successfully added comfort room to your shopping cart, and they'll be able to see that here the price is shown as 600 because we have booked the room for 2 nights. So let's just click on view cart, and then we'll be able to see the description for the order, the check-in day, check-out day, the total price, how many rooms, and total people, and the room name. And the customer can also use any coupon code or gift certificates if they have any for getting some discount, and then they have to click on checkout. So when the customer is logged in into the website, they'll be able to see this checkout page. If they are not logged in, they'll be able to see a login page or an option for checking out as a guest user. The customer can sign in to the website by just clicking on the here, and then they'll be redirected to a login page. So here we have to select a billing details. We have to enter in a or select a new address, or we can select new address like this. Then we have to click on continue. After that, we have to select the payment methods, and the customer can also provide any additional comments here. After that, the customer will be able to see all the details of the hotel, and they can review the order, and then they can click on confirm order, and then they'll be able to see order has been successfully placed, and then you can view this order in my accounts page and on clicking on history. So like this, and they can also contact the store owner by clicking on store owner, and then they'll be able to see this contact form, and from here they'll be able to contact the store owner. Let's just see our order history by just clicking here on order history, and from here we will be able to see that these are all the hotels that we have booked, and we can reorder them from here only. And here are the different options which are provided in the customer account, such as my account. They can edit their account, their passwords, their address book, they can add product in their wish list, and their order history, their recurring payments, rewards, and many other things. Let's just go to our admin panel, and let's just see what are all other features. So from here, the admin will be able to see all the bookings that have been made like this. So here will be a list of all the bookings that have been made on their website. So after that, there is an option for manage hotel reviews. In manage hotel reviews, the admin can see the reviews that have been made for any hotel or for any room, and they can see the reviews here, and they can either choose to save the reviews or they can even delete them by just clicking on this delete option. After there is option for booked rooms. From here the admin can book rooms on behalf of the customers. So admin can select their check-in and check-out date, and then they can select any particular hotel if they want to book the room for that. And then let's just say they can select the rooms that are available in that hotel, and they can select the number of rooms, number of adults, and then they can click on check availability, and then they'll be able to see that total of 5 rooms are there, and out of which 5 are available. So they can click on book room, and then they have to provide all these details here, customer details, and then they have to click on add room. So like this they'll be able to book a new room for the customers. So now coming back to the all bookings page, from here the admin can click on booking, and then they can see that which customer has booked rooms for this hotel, and they can see that the room is cancelled, or they can cancel any of it by just clicking on cancel it, and then it will be cancelled. And they can also export the reservation and bookings by just selecting the date from which to from when, and then they can select to export it into a Excel or CSV file. So this was all for the hotel booking system for Opencart, and if you have any query you can ask us at webkul.uvdesk.com. So have a nice day, and thank you so much for watching this video.